Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another 6,000 diesel converted, B unit converted to power. And I've got like 7 of these things now. Anyway, I had the shell and the motor, so I combined them. So if you have the dummy B unit, now the advantage of the dummy, of course, is that it has a front coupler. The 6,000 does not. So in order to convert one of these to power, you have to drill a hole in the shell. Remember, this was a dummy. It just had trucks on it. You have to drill a hole in the shell. There's already a black dot, just like these, where you drill the hole. Pull off the rear trucks, mount the motor, sort out the headlight, and you have a powered 6,000 that has a front coupler on it, which really adds to what you can do with it, because now you can run it as a genuine switcher, forward and reverse. So anyway, to the rear coupler, I've added a Lionel adapter, as you see. It just snaps into the tab and slot. And I've got, I think, 8 Lionel cars on the rail. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video so you can see this running. Just got this put together. Like I said, I've got like 7 of these now. So Robin's out of town till Monday, so I've been on eBay buying stuff for parts. Got another locomotive that's due tomorrow, perhaps. We'll see. A Marx diesel. So I'll do a grand unboxing on that. Got it for $14.89. So I'm really curious to see what it's going to look like. It's in pieces, I know that. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on the 6,000 B unit converted to power. Like I said, it only takes a minute to do this, literally. You got to drill a hole, take off the rear trucks. The rest of that, most of it is putting a headlight in it. Anyway, the advantage, of course, is you have a standard Marx 6000 that now has a front coupler, where the 6000 does not. And it gives you a lot more options of running this. You can run it backwards. You can run it as a switcher. You can do a lot more with it because it has that coupler. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's simple. It only takes a minute to do it. And I find these junkers on eBay. A lot of them are just absolutely trash, like this 6,000 shell. So anyway, took the motor out of the A unit, which was junk, and transferred it into the B unit. As you see, it's in really decent condition. It has a front and rear coupler. It runs forward and reverse, so it gives you a genuine switcher. Like I said, the hardest part is installing the headlight. But as you see, it looks nice, it runs nice, plenty of power. And really simple to do this. It only takes a couple of minutes. With a drill press, it only takes a second to punch that hole. And the rest of it is just taking the old trucks off, getting the motor mounted, and then wiring the headlight. And again, the advantage is, of course, gives you a tab and slot coupler in the front, which the Marx 6000 does not have. So, just want to do a quick video. It works, it's simple, it's easy to do. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.